So, what the heck is Cloudware? Cloudware is a template that works with Excel and most other professional spreadsheets. It will make it easier for accountants working remotely to collaborate with others in the preparation of working paper files for small businesses. In short, it's a caseware replacement that doesn't require software other than your spreadsheet, word processor, and a cloud-based content management system, all of which you probably already have. It is meant for small practices performing compilation or tax engagements for their small business clients. It might even work for some large businesses, though the largest companies I've ever used it for are mid-sized, high-growth companies that we lovingly call unicorns these days. Like Caseware, it was designed to work around the old-fashioned manual working paper files that many of us are still familiar with. Instead of artificial intelligence, it involves actual intelligence. In short, it's the application of software tools that we already have to meet a simple and recurring information need that every business has. We use it as part of the Business Analyst Technician program to help new accounting technologists learn to put together and use a working trial balance, understand the fundamental accounting algorithm, and learn to use VLOOKUP, SUMIF, and other functions, along with filtering pivot tables that are all available within your favorite spreadsheet software.